Hi guys, my name is Sullivan and I'm currently in the lovely Seoul, South Korea, which can only mean one thing. These ones are so good. It is around 10 a.m. and I'm hungry, so let's go get some breakfast. But they have all of these things in the 7-Eleven too. They have a microwave, they have the hot water dispenser, they have everything. So you don't even have to leave the 7-Eleven to eat your food. You can heat it all up inside the 7-Eleven. Everything came out to 11,000 won, which is $8 USD, and I feel like I got enough things for a meal, so I feel like that's pretty good. Starting out with an iced coffee. This came in a bag. And I also got a banana protein shake to go on the top like creamer. Just put it in the ice cup that they have too. And we have a delicious iced coffee. Perfect. Next up, I got this sweet and spicy tteokbokki, which is a spicy, chewy Korean rice cake with spicy sauce on top. I love this. This is like my favorite Korean food as of now. I also got 2 eggs. They're in like the little refrigerated section, and these are just hard-boiled eggs, I believe. Little rice cake, so cute. Cute little rice cake. I might be eating this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's chewy, it's sweet, it's spicy. It's like perfect for me because I'm a bit of a weenie when it comes to spice. They also sell chicken in packets at 7-Eleven, so if you want just like a slab of chicken, you can just have it, and I love that. I just stopped by seoul to get this latte. It's low sugar and it's really good, very sweet. You would not know that it's low sugar. I've been walking around for a bit and I got a little bit hungry and I got some snacks. I got this kimbap. It has bibimbap beef in it, egg, and pickled radish, and then a bunch of other stuff. You can see right here. I got this red bean and cream pastry thing, and then I just got this random zero drink because I haven't drinking like any water today. It just tastes like a Gatorade. Okay then, and it's already cut. Wow, that's delicious. That's like better than kimbap I've had at restaurants in the US. Oh, and this cost 68,000 won, which is like $5 US. I'm gonna open it up and use chopsticks like a civilized human being. It's like the most convenient food ever, and it's healthy. I suck at eating these with chopsticks though. Yeah, like it already split open. Nice one. This is what it looks like, and it's so squishy. This is like sweet custard cream, and then the red bean is also sweet, but not as sweet as the cream. And then the bun is just like a soft bread. I could eat this every day of my life and not complain.
Yeah. And then egg. Yeah.
This one. And cheese. No. Actually.
Cheese for me.
Okay. This is M3. This is the one that everyone's like is so good.
Really?
This is so good. That doesn't look so good.
Actually, that looks so good.
That didn't work though. How much did this cost? Like literally $7 to $8 total for both bowls. It needs some like chicken or something. It's not bad.
Wait, yours looks so much better.
Yeah. It looks insane.
It looks like a real meal.
Yeah, it actually does. It's pretty good for a self-service instant ramen bar. That's insane. That's cute too. All these sticky notes from different people in different places. This is the good selection. Yeah. These ones are so good. They have like everything. I'm gonna start with the one that I think is gonna be the least exciting, which is this one. Grape something. I don't know what it is. Grape ice. A little spoon. It tastes like those little artificial grape gummies that look like grapes covered in jelly. Not bad. I'm gonna rate this maybe a 4 out of 10. It's good, but I don't think I would get it again because I like ice cream better. We're gonna leave the best one for last. Let's try this one. I've had something similar before, but it was a fish-shaped one. This is like a little bread outside, red bean, and it looks like green tea and vanilla ice cream on the inside. Wait, what? No, that's so sad. Chewy matcha mochi with red bean paste and vanilla ice cream and like a bread crust. If you can't tell, I'm obsessed with red bean and vanilla. I'm gonna be on a sugar high after this. This gets like an 8.5 out of 10. Next, we have the most exciting one. It is a cheese ice cream cake. Ew. It looks like it's like bread with like, ew, cheese ice cream. It's literally white bread with like cheddar cheese flavored ice cream inside. And it's not like a sweet, like good cheese. This is like real cheddar cheese. And I hate it, but for some reason, I want to keep eating it. I can't keep eating it though. Maybe one more bite. I'm gonna rate this like a 3 out of 10 because there's like so many flavors of ice cream in the world. Why would I choose cheese? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I had so much fun eating convenience store food all day today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.